Welcome to Smart Peeps. My name is David Clark. This first project is divided into two sections. Templator focuses on converting information from scientific literature into a planning mode, which includes verification questions and table designs. In this video, we will illustrate what the inventor refers to as the Minimax and Perception percent pixel portioning science and IQ technique. Let's start by understanding the three most important definitions in the first project: Minimax, meal swipe event, and percent pixel portion. Minimax is a three-card science tool that the inventor uses to evaluate energy shifts within portion perception planning. Next, we define the meal swipe event as the time when the mind lists any food you love to eat within a 20-minute perception time. Lastly, the percent pixel portion is defined as the value-added energy per total item within the perception time. Now, when we get to Template B, it is crucial to understand these three definitions and how to practice Smart Peeps food portioning. There are three categories defining our portion technique: standard portioning and perceptual portioning 1 and 2. Let's discuss the first category, which is quite interesting. A standard item is rated as small, 2 standard items are rated as medium, and anything above 3 is rated as large. Pay attention to what the teacher categorizes as perceptual portioning. This is very important. Now, let's look at the examples we've compiled to enhance your understanding. In this picture, we see a plate with one standard slice of bread and a spread of butter that looks small. Let's say this is someone's first meal of the day or their first meal swipe event. In this example, we have applied two techniques: standard item portioning and perceptual portioning 1. While we are still on this picture, we have 2 items. According to Minimax, the percent pixel portion for less than 2 items that the mind is listing for consumption is -5%. A pixel portion of 3 items is 30%. And lastly, a pixel portion of more than 4 items is 40%. You can plan any food you love to eat. While we are still discussing this, there is a rule about taxing a meal pattern by 5%. Whenever there is more than one item appearing in a meal swipe event in large quantities, we tax the pixel portion by 5%. In this example, the percent pixel portion is -5% at the R card, and there is no tax. Now, look at this example. We have a slice of bread appearing in large quantity along with the butter spread, which still looks small. Here, the percent pixel portion changes to +5% but remains within the R card. What really changed the situation? The slice of bread appeared in large quantity, so the pixel percent changed to +5%. Let me show you another example. In this picture, let's say that within the 20 minutes of a meal swipe event, your mind keeps making amazing decisions to list and enjoy food. The situation is changing. In this example, Minimax is changing to Maxi card. Due to the large appearance of that glass of juice, we will have a Maxi card at 45% pixel portion, not 40%. From this example, you still have 20% that you can plan around throughout the day. Now, what is a motion sensor? This is an assessment tool, sometimes referred to as a speed trap camera, that the inventor uses to evaluate the force of attraction between the mind and food. This camera assesses how negative eating emotions can lead to weight gain. Remember, you must not exceed 60% on the motion sensor, which the inventor uses to assess eating emotions. When we reach day 4 of this project after learning the literature, you can start to transform this diet through meditation. Enjoy the exercise and keep recharging your IQ. This is the only scientific meditation and perception eating plan in the history of dieting and weight management. Stay tuned for the second project when we launch the mobile app, the big project, Invention Expo inside smartphones.